in Hawaii, and here we have, I believe they're called Ulrich and Gitella, dancing a little waltz together. Further down the ram line in the distance we can see the small giant of Villanova, Erewhon Bovilla. The giants here in the middle, I forgot to say that, they are from La Salzburg. And at the end of this giant procession, Baba shout-outs again. We have La Giganta Grossa meets Al Gigante La Porra. So the giant with the fighting club and his wife. The tallest giant in Catalonia and also two of the oldest giants.